Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable the Google News feed, also called Discover, on Android phones. So here I have a Samsung phone. You can find this news feed here and also here where you have the Google app. And if you want to disable it, because sometimes it's annoying and you don't need all that news. So to do it, just tap here on the profile icon and now tap on settings, swipe down and go to other settings. And here we have Discover. Now this option it's enabled, and to disable it just tap here and now go back and go back again, and as you can see we don't have anymore that news feed. So it's not so hard. I hope this video to be useful for you. If you like my type of content, you can subscribe, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.